Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is very exciting. Today's video is a tag video. Yes, I was tagged by Hearth and Soul Shawn here on YouTube to do a video. Yeah, I'm sorry my video is a little bit late. He knew I had surgery and he said if I felt up to it, do it. And I'm like, of course I'm going to do it. So I'm feeling better, as you guys can see. So of course I am going to do the tag. I am super excited, and I think it's funny. Shawn's the only YouTuber I know that can go away, come back, and like get his subscribers back like that. Like, only one I know. So that is so funny. I'm looking up all the questions right now because I'm clicking on his video. And if you're not subscribed to Shawn, definitely make sure you subscribe to his channel. I'll leave all the information below, and if you want to participate in the tag, I'll leave the questions below. So I'm tagging everybody watching. So if you make videos, definitely do the tag. So this is the fall YouTube Q&A tag collaboration, and these are the questions. You guys are ready? I know I am. First question, favorite fall candle. My favorite fall candle has to be sweater weather, and I said it right this time. Sweater weather, but whatever, it's sweater weather. I don't care what y'all say. Sweater weather is my favorite candle. My least favorite fall fragrance, my least favorite candle is leaves. I don't know what it is about leaves. I cannot get into leaves. Like, I be trying, I can't. Like, even when they're giving them away for free, I'm like, stay back, you demon. It's like, it's so gross to me. I don't know what it is about leaves. I just can't do it. I don't want to do it. I don't want to understand it. I just want to run away. When I see leaves, I go run. Like, I can't. I take off. Okay. Zoom. Now the next one is love them or leave them. Black licorice. Leave it at the door, honey. At the door. I can't do it. No. The next one, candy corn. Give me that candy corn. I love candy corn. Well, I used to love candy corn. Right now, of course, I can't have any sugars or anything, but candy corn was my jam. Like, I know a lot of people think candy corn is disgusting. I love candy corn, so love it. I gotta have candy corn. And pumpkin spice everything. They can keep that pumpkin spice at Starbucks and whoever else want to have it. I do not like pumpkin spice. Pumpkin spice and everything nice can stay where it's at, because I don't do pumpkin spice. No ma'am, no sir. The next one is favorite fall drink. My favorite fall drink was the it's not even a fall drink, but it's the, what is that drink called? White mocha latte or something from Starbucks. Y'all, I ain't been to Starbucks in a minute, so I think it's what it's called. But I like that drink, and I know that's not fall specific, but I really like that one. Favorite fall recipe for food. I'm not one of those people that like pumpkin pie or any kind of pie, because y'all, I don't like pie. I'm not a pie person. I hate pie. I think pie is disgusting. I'm sorry, guys. And I know y'all probably like, because y'all love pie, but I don't like pie. And it's like keep coming in and out, y'all. I'm sorry. I don't know what outside is doing, but God, Lord, let my light stay. Okay, let my light shine. Let me be great, God. Let me be great. But I don't like pie. I can't stand pie. I don't know what it is about pie. I just cannot do pie. So sorry guys, I can't do pie. But my favorite food in fall, I don't got one, because right now I'm just on a crab cake, like crab and shrimp. So that's all I've been really eating. So I can tell you what I don't like, and that's pie. Okay, next question. The next question is what makes fall special to you? what makes it special to me in fall time is the time that I get with my kids, because in the fall I actually start my leave from work. I start around the beginning of November and I'm off until January 2nd. So I get 2 months with my kids and just get to be that stay-at-home mom. And it is a great feeling to be able to be a stay-at-home mom. It gets tiring after a while. After a while you're like, okay, I'm ready to go back to work. There's only so much housework and only so much stuff I can do. But I do enjoy that time when I can be a stay-at-home mom and I get to go to all the cool events, because all the cool events happen in November and December at the school. So I'm there for all those events and with the kids and having a good old time doing turkey trot and doing all my volunteer work that I do with the PTA and be able to volunteer even more. So I love that. That's one of my favorite things about fall, is that I'm off in November and December and I can devote a lot more time to my children and their school activities. The next one is what things signify to you fall has begun? Well, it has to be candles. When Bath and Body Works start bringing out them fall candles at the test stores, I'm like, hello fall. And they did it extra early this year, like extra early. So I'm so burnt out on the fall candles. I'm even posted on Instagram, okay, Bath and Body Works, we already saw this. We already saw this. Can we move on? Can we move on to some different candles? Please, next floor set. Please. But what signifies fall has started for me. Bath and Body Works bringing out fall things, and they brought it out just a little too early this year, but I wasn't mad, but now I'm mad because I'm like, okay, it's been out too long. Hurry along. And his favorite fall colors. Favorite fall colors, I have to say like a deep plum or a deep mauve. I know Shawn's probably not talking about makeup. He's probably talking in general, but I gotta say makeup. I gotta keep it in makeup terms because fall is when I love to bring out my makeup. And these purple lips, and this is Too Faced, y'all. Ooh, I love a deep vampy lip in the fall. So when I think colors for fall, I'm thinking about deep vampy lips, dark nail polishes. I'm just thinking about just vamp life, okay? Fall is my time to do vamp life, and the deep, the darker, the better when it comes to a lip in the fall. Even though I know this question has nothing to do with lips, but I'm gonna go with deep plums and I'm gonna go with deep mauves. Pick a favorite, apple pie or pumpkin pie? Neither. I hate pie. I'm sorry guys, I can't stand pie. I'll say it again, I am not a pie girl. I do not like pie. I don't like anything about a pie, the crust, anything. Like, I don't mix fruits and sweets. I just think it's gross. So no ma'am, no sir, can't do pies. Next, things about fall you dislike the most. What I dislike, and it doesn't have anything really to do with fall, is about where I live. It's Texas. It's fall right now. It's 100 degrees outside. That's what I don't like. That's the issue I don't like, okay? That it is 100 degrees outside, and right now, 100 degrees. It's fall. What you doing? Can't wear my pants. I'm in shorts. Like right now, y'all, you can't even see. I got shorts on. I shouldn't be wearing shorts in fall. I'm supposed to be having on some Uggs and on some jeans and a nice toasty sweater. And no, you don't get toasty around here until about November. I want to be toasty in September, but you don't get that in Texas. So that is the only thing I dislike about fall, is I want to be toasty. And they won't let me be toasty, because the only thing that's going to happen if I wear a sweater right now is I'm going to get toasted. I'm not going to be toasty. So yeah, fall doesn't start here till about end of October, early November. That's my only dislike. And do you have any fall traditions? Yes, we have a tradition where we like to decorate the house together, and on top of that, doing trick-or-treat. Actually, this year, me and Grace are going to be matching this year. She wanted to be Vampirina, and then she changed her mind, and she wanted to be a butterfly. So me and Grace going to be butterflies up in this joint, y'all. Me and Grace are going to be butterflies this year. We're going to be flying around trick-or-treating together. Christian is going to be Iron Man, and Justin is going to be a Fortnite skin. Leave it to him. He wants to be a Fortnite skin. but I already bought all the costumes, so I'm really excited about that. Another one is like hay rides and stuff like that. They have events that they offer for fall time, so I'm going to be taking the kids to the pumpkin patch and doing all that this year. Hopefully they don't drive me crazy, but we're going to try anyway and see how it goes. This will be our first time doing the pumpkin patches and stuff, and I just really want to do it this fall. I have a lot more energy this fall than I had last fall. I do want to say that the surgery does have something to do with it, because I'm able to be a little bit more active, which I'm excited about. And I know by the time we do the pumpkin patches and stuff in October, I'm gonna have even more energy, so I'm excited about starting those new traditions as well. So that's it, guys. That's everything in this fall tag. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something new about me. And again, you know, the tag's open to everybody. I would love to see your tag video if you have done one, because I love to get to know people. It's one thing to sit here and be like, ooh, guys, I got a new pocket bag. Look at my pocket bag. My pocket bag is so good. Oh, it's pumpkin donut. It tastes good. That's one thing, but it's another thing to sit here and have a conversation with you, and you get to understand who I am. Because some people can show you all the stuff in the world and they got an ugly attitude, and I don't want to be around somebody with an ugly attitude. I don't do ugly people. So, and you don't have to be ugly on the outside. You can be ugly on the inside, and that makes your outside ugly, period. So I like to get to know people. I like to see what you really about, you know, because if you really ain't a nice person, I don't want nothing to do with you, you know. Unsubscribe. Let me stop. I'm not mean like that. I give people chances. I am not mean like that. But I definitely, if you made a video, I want to see it. And definitely, if you just want to answer some of the questions below, let's say you're not a person that makes videos, but you want to participate, go ahead and answer some of the questions below. Let me know. So I'm gonna stop rambling, because this video is already long enough. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. Check out Shawn at Hearth and Soul, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.